Meaning of hemorrhage.
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 Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage is a medical term that refers to the escape of blood from a ruptured blood vessel, either internally or externally. This can occur spontaneously or as a result of trauma, disease, or injury. The severity of hemorrhage can vary widely from mild to life-threatening. Symptoms may include bleeding from the nose, mouth, or rectum, as well as bruising, swelling, or pain at the site of bleeding. If left untreated, hemorrhage can lead to shock, organ failure, or even death. Prompt medical intervention is essential to control bleeding and prevent serious complications.